Play.ht review. Welcome to my Play.ht review, where I'll walk you through my experience using this AI-powered text-to-speech platform. I've included links to the product in the description below for you to check it out after the video. Play.ht is a leading text-to-speech tool that combines AI and human-like voice synthesis to deliver high-quality audio from text. It's designed for content creators, educators, and businesses that need to convert articles, blogs, or any text into lifelike audio for podcasts, audiobooks, or accessibility purposes. One of the standout features of Play.ht is its wide range of voices. You can choose from over 900 voices in multiple languages and accents, allowing you to tailor the sound and style to match your audience and content needs. What sets Play.ht apart is its advanced AI technology that ensures natural-sounding speech. The platform's voices sound far more human-like compared to other text-to-speech tools, making the listening experience more engaging and pleasant. The customization options are also robust, with controls for adjusting the pace, pitch, and emphasis, giving you complete control over how your content sounds. Another great feature is high-quality audio exports, which you can download in MP3 or WAV formats. This is especially useful for those looking to integrate the generated audio into podcasts or videos. Play.ht also integrates well with various platforms, making it ideal for businesses and content creators looking to streamline their workflow. The user interface of Play.ht is simple and intuitive, meaning you don't need to be a tech expert to start using it. Whether you're creating content for marketing, e-learning, or entertainment, Play.ht makes it easy to convert your written content into audio quickly and efficiently. Overall, Play.ht is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create realistic audio from text. With its high-quality voices, customization options, and ease of use, it's an excellent choice for content creators, businesses, and educators. Check out the links in the description to get started, and thank you for watching.